Welcome back to Apex Academy, your ultimate home for all your crypto education. As always, smash up the like, subscribe to the channel for one new stream every day, Monday to Friday, 8 p.m. East African time. So make sure you turn on the notification so that you don't miss an update. Quick one, today the market cap is slightly below what we left, where we left on Friday rather. We are now trading at $935.2 billion, a decrease of 0.97% in the last 24 hours. If you check Bitcoin alone, down by 0.97. So it's as if Bitcoin controls the market cap, but not really, because if you can see the Bitcoin dominance, it's now at 39.5%. So this has been going down. You can see it is now at 17.2%. So that means that 39 plus 17, that's around 56. So the remaining 44 is being controlled by the altcoins. So if you can check further, we have BNB 274. It's pretty much a bloody day because most of the assets and most of the coins are registering a decline. So if you check Bitcoin, how it has been faring on with the charts, you can see that we're not doing that bad, and at the same time we're not doing that good either. You can just check the daily candle here. You can see this is the 5-minute candle. In the last 5 minutes or so, we registered a decline. In the previous candles as well, we were registering some decline. So things are not looking that bad. At the same time, things are not looking that particular good. But maybe this should give you some ray and some glimmer of hope, because Bitcoin is currently leading among all the other huge financial institutions. You can see, and their entire market cap, Bitcoin right now 368 billion. If you can just check here on CMC, we are at 369 billion. So I believe some more volume has come in. If you check BTC, 368 billion, followed by JP Morgan, I believe the biggest bank in the US, at 3.10 billion. You can see Bitcoin be your own bank. It's not ranked. You can see countries worldwide, but JP Morgan, based in the US, actually the biggest bank in the US, followed by Bank of America, still the US, 246 billion. If you go down, you can see Ethereum, which is ranked second in crypto, is now ranked fourth in terms of market cap financial. That is crypto compared to these banking institutions. It's even ahead of China Construction Bank, ahead even of the Agricultural Bank of China. So this tells you that Bitcoin, Ethereum, these big caps, if you can combine the two, I believe we'll be sitting at a very big market cap at the moment. And you can see some banks like the Royal Bank of Canada ranked 9th, Bank of China ranked 10th. So this tells you that there is something about these particular assets. And with this market cap, with the current price of $19,000, if we are to go back to the all-time high, I believe these banks will not get anywhere near the market cap of Bitcoin and Ethereum. If you can just check the chart, not yet loaded. There we go, but not yet. So I'll just come back here when we are fully loaded, so that you can see the daily chart for Bitcoin. So that aside, we had mining difficulty that has spiked in 14 months. That is, mining difficulty has continued to grow, and as we know, the more miners we have, the more difficult it is to get the rewards, because that rewarding system has to be kept constant, so that if we have less miners, they get more rewards. The difficulty decreases. But if we have more miners, they get less rewards, and the mining difficulty increases, so that that rewarding ratio can be kept constant. That aside, we've heard of about 12,000 companies in Brazil which have declared crypto holdings in a record high. So as I was mentioning some time back when I was doing a video on the countries that are adopting crypto most, Brazil was adversely mentioned, because apparently you can buy crypto using your credit and debit cards, since banks have managed to ensure that this service is available. You can see now over 12,000 companies have declared cryptocurrency holdings. I'm sure in Kenya, not so many entities or companies can wish to declare publicly they own these assets, because they're going to face some sanctions, they're going to face some biasness from the media, the government itself, and that is why you don't see such articles coming in from less developed countries to be precise. So this is a big thing, a good thing for Brazil, because it clearly indicates that they are on the road to adoption, and in the next few months or years, they're going to see the fruits, because I believe once Bitcoin starts shooting, if we get to 2x, 3x from here, then I'm sure these companies, their asset in their market cap is gonna go to crazy levels. Same case to El Salvador. You've seen President Rudy Kelly saying that they have always been buying Bitcoin, and I believe once BTC starts pumping, then they're gonna see the results of what they have been doing over the past few couple of months. Also, we had another pre-sale today. That was the Connect protocol pre-sale, but this sale was cancelled because apparently Pinkcell detected that there was some fraud going around their community, and they just took some precautions to cancel the pre-sale. And that is why I've always mentioned that not all pre-sales are good. Some may turn up to be rug pulls or honeypots. So it's always prudent, and before you get into a pre-sale, ensure you do your due diligence, you do your own research, and have an open mind, because the project may fail to launch, and even if they launch, it may be a rug, and you may end up losing your money. So the main point in pre-sale is always invest what you can afford to lose. You can see they had a hard cap of 500 BNBs, they had a soft cap of 250 BNBs, but apparently the pre-sale was cancelled by Pinkcell, which was just a precaution measure. So apart from cancelling pre-sales and the issue of rug pulls, let's jump over to Philippines, where Bitcoin and P2P trading volume has jumped 40% this past year, which is some crazy and some very encouraging statistics, because Philippines is one of the countries that has started adopting Bitcoin this year, and that's why you are seeing these statistics. And it's basically because data from Paxful has shown that between Q3, that is from 2021 to 2022, that is between the Q3 of 21 and 22, the volume has increased by about that 40%. And this tells you that because of very high inflation in Philippines, people are now turning into crypto. They are seeing crypto now as a safe haven, because remember, in crypto, for example, Bitcoin to be precise, only 21 million coins. So that can act as a hedge against inflation, in that if the government decides to wake up and print currency, print money, that can easily result in inflation. But nobody can wake up today and say they want to print more Bitcoin. Nobody can wake up and say they want to increase the supply of Bitcoin from 21 million to 30 million coins. And that is why you always say that BTC is a perfect hedge against inflation. So I believe this spike of volume and trading is a result of the high inflation rates being witnessed in the currency. So you can see the graph here. That was the past months, and you can see how this thing has been performing. And that is basically due to the inflation that I was talking about, that native country of Philippines. So let's hope that these figures will keep on soaring higher and higher, so that we may have more and more adoptions in the Philippines country. So Philippines, Venezuela, El Salvador, Brazil, Colombia, those are the countries to watch. So you want to learn and know more countries that have embraced crypto, revert back to my video on countries that have adopted and countries that are using Bitcoin and crypto the most. It's right here in my YouTube channel. I'll link the description on this particular video. Also, apart from that, we've had the legendary, that is Paul Tudor Jones, saying Bitcoin and Ethereum will go much higher in price, and I believe we all know that's going to happen. And this is one of the billionaires that believe so much in crypto. They have been buying crypto over the last few couple of years. They are holding a substantial amount of asset, and they believe that just like you and me, crypto and BTC is going to be the future. And that is why it's important that you grab these coins when the prices are much low right now, because in the next few months, next few years, getting one Ethereum is going to be a hassle. Getting one BTC is going to be a hassle, because if you can go back to our previous all-time highs, then that's going to be another story for another particular day. So just take advantage of the price that we have right now and grab some coins. You can just do DCA, and that is why we have DCA strategy, so that we can buy as many coins as we can. Let's just check how our portfolio is doing, our DCA portfolio, and basically see where we are right now. Let me just open that very fast. So let's check in here our portfolio. Where are we? Where are we? I want to check our portfolio and see how far we are doing. The system doesn't want to cooperate. It doesn't want me to show you guys my portfolio right now. And this is normally the DCA Saturday portfolio, where we buy a coin every Saturday. Very fast. Let's check how that is working right now. Very fast. Yep. There we go. Go to portfolios. After portfolios, you go to the Apex portfolio. There we are. There we are. We are down 33%. Still not doing that good, but for the last 30 days, we've gained $106. Last 7 days, $71. Last time we've gained $1. So we are still not doing that good, but remember, this is for long term. This is not a short term project. This is basically a long term project. And so far, these are the coins that we have in our portfolio. So we'll continue doing this over a long haul and see where we are going to end up in 5-10 years to come. So this is going to be the first year we are doing this portfolio. And let's hope and pray that things are going to work out well. And finally, we've had Logan Paul's NFT, which was bought for a whopping $623,000. And guess how much that NFT is worth right now? You won't believe it. $10. It's simply worth $10. So that YouTuber, that is Logan Paul, was all over the news last year after he purchased a Zook Bomberlin NFT for $623,000. Collection has seen a price position as compromised 10,000 hand-drawn avatars that's strict different from other digital artworks. Right now, this NFT has dropped 29% between May and August this year. Therefore, the NFT is much lesser price compared to where it was last year. And basically, NFTs are very, very volatile, just like how cryptocurrency is. And these NFTs were mostly hyped last year. Right now, these NFTs are not that much of a hype. And that is why you've seen these statistics and you've seen this rapid decline in Logan Paul's NFT. So just ensure that anything that you do, always invest what you can afford to do. Because NFTs are not long-term projects. You can't compare this NFT with Bitcoin or with Ethereum. This is something that has a use case, something that has been tested all over the years. But NFTs, they just come with a little hype. You want to jump in because people are making money, you want to make money like them, then you end up being wrecked, just like our friend, our billionaire, Logan Paul. And I believe he's a billionaire, so there's not so much money for him to lose. I'm sure he's going to bounce back. He's going to get some more NFTs and are going to do some great movers. So that's it, guys. Not so much has happened today. Thank you so much for tuning in. Remember to follow us on our social media platforms at Apex Crypto Academy on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. And see you tomorrow for another stream. So good night, good luck, and God bless you. Bye-bye.